आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे एटम्स एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स के एक टॉपिक मोल कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में। हम लोग कैसे नंबर ऑफ मोल फाइंड आउट करेंगे, मोल क्या है, कैसे क्या इसका कॉन्सेप्ट है, हम लोग आज उस चीज के बारे में जानेंगे। सबसे पहले हम लोग देखते हैं कि कोई भी चीज एनीथिंग अगर वो दो तो हम लोग कहते हैं कि दैट इज द स्पेस, ओके। एनीथिंग कोई भी चीज अगर 12 है देन वी से दैट इज डजन। कोई भी चीज अगर 20 हो गया तो हम लोग कहते हैं कि वो क्या हो जाएगा, अस्कोर। क्या होगा, अस्कोर, ओके। अगर कोई भी चीज अगर 100 हो जाता है तो हम लोग उसको कहते हैं, ओके। सो जिस तरह से कोई भी दो चीज अगर हम लोग ले लेते हैं तो दो चीज पेयर हो गया 12, अगर कोई भी 12 थिंग है नंबर दैट इज कॉल्ड डजन। अगर कोई भी 12 कोई चीज है दैट इज कॉल्ड अस्कोर। अगर कोई भी चीज 100 है दैट इज कॉल्ड। अगर कोई भी पार्टी कोई भी चीज एनीथिंग सपोज दिस इज अ चौक, अगर ये चौक 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 हो गया, 23 पार्टिकल्स 23 नंबर, तो हम लोग कहते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड 1। तो ठीक हुई तरह दो चीज है तो पेयर, 12 चीज है तो डजन, 20 चीज है तो स्कोर, 100 है तो 100, एंड कोई भी चीज 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 पार्टिकल्स है, देन हम लोग कहते हैं कि वो 1 मोल के इक्वल हो। बट व्हाट अबाउट द मोल कॉन्सेप्ट, व्हाट इज मोल कॉन्सेप्ट? तो देखेंगे हम लोग, सपोज हम लोग यहाँ लिखते हैं मोल, ओके, दैट इज मोल, है ना। सो वी हैव अ 4 पोस्टुलेट इन मोल कॉन्सेप्ट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल से now first, okay, 1 mole that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. What? Particles. 1 mole that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. And also small n. Small n is equal to what? Number of mole. Small n indicate number of mole. Small n that is equal to small m by capital M. Small m by capital M. And that is also equal to in the case of molecule n divided by n naught. N divided by n naught. Okay. So where n is equal to number of moles, small m that is equal to given mass, okay, capital M that is equal to atomic or molecular mass, okay, depend upon gradient, depend upon situation. If we take atom, then we take atomic mass, otherwise molecule, then molecular mass, okay, where n is equal to number of particles that is given in the question, and n naught that is equal to Avogadro's number, and that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. That is the first theory of mole. Okay, 1 mole that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles, and small n indicate small n indicate number of moles. Small n that is equal to capital small m divided by capital M, the ratio of the given mass and the molecular mass. Okay, where m is equal to given mass and m is equal to molecular mass, either molecular mass or atomic mass, that is depend upon the situation. Okay, and that will be equal to n divided by 1. Sometimes a question given in the question that is in the form of number of particles, है ना, then we use small n that is equal to capital N by n naught, where n is equal to number of particles and n naught that is equal to Avogadro's number, and that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. That all about the first postulate of mole. Now what about the second? Now any atom, what? Any atom, okay, any atom, their atomic mass taken in gram, that is equal to 1 mole of that atom. 1 mole of that any atom, okay, any atom, their atomic mass taken in gram, and that is equal to 1 mole of that atom. 1 mole of that atom. Give example. Okay, see example. Suppose there are sodium atom. Okay, now sodium, okay, sodium. That is the Latin name, and the Latin name of sodium is natrium. That's why we use the symbol of Na. Okay, with the help of Latin name, we symbolized. Okay, so the sodium. Okay, What is the atomic mass of sodium? That is 23U. That is 23U. Okay. Now this 23U taken in gram. That is 23 gram. 23 gram. So now 23 gram of sodium. 23 gram of sodium. That is equal to 1 mole of sodium. 1 mole of sodium. Is it clear? Now that's all about the second theory. Any atom taken their atomic mass taken in gram, that is equal to 1 mole of that atom. एग्जाम्पल में तुमने सोडियम को ले लिया, इसका एटॉमिक मास 23 U होता है और इसको अगर हम ग्राम में लेते हैं तो वो 1 मोल ऑफ सोडियम एटम के इक्वल हो जाता है. इसलिए हम लोग तीसरा पोस्टुलेट पढ़ते हैं. नाउ द थर्ड वन. व्हाट अबाउट द थर्ड वन? एनी molecules, any molecules. Okay. Now their atomic mass, their molecular mass, not atomic mass, molecular mass. Their molecular mass taken in gram, that is equal to 1 mole of that molecule. 1 mole of that molecule. Okay. So any molecule, their molecular mass taken in gram, that is equal to 1 mole of that molecule. Suppose we take water, hydrogen. Okay. H2O. That is the molecule H2. What is the what is the molecular mass of H2? That is 18 U. 18 U. Sir, hydrogen. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? And water molecule. The formation of water molecule is because of the combination of two atoms, hydrogen and oxygen. So, what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? That is 1 U. 2 hydrogen. That means 2 U, and 1 oxygen. What is the atomic mass of 1 oxygen? That is normally oxygen is 16. So overall that is equal to 18. Now that is the molecular mass of water molecule. Okay. Now take it in gram. 18 gram. Okay. Now that 18 gram, that is equal to 1 mole of that molecule. It means H2O molecule. 1 mole of that molecule. It means H2O. Is it clear? Okay. This is all about the third theory. Now the fourth one. Any gas. What I said? Any gas taken in at STP or NTP, standard temperature and pressure, है ना, standard degree centigrade temperature and 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay, any gas at STP and NTP. STP means the standard temperature pressure. The temperature that will be equal to 0 degree centigrade and pressure that is equal to 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay, so any gas at STP and NTP, it can occupy a volume of 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter. Occupied at 22.4 liter does it have a volume of 22.4 liter. So that is equal to 1 mole of that gas. 1 mole of that gas. Okay. Suppose you have oxygen gas. Okay. Suppose we have oxygen gas. Okay. Now oxygen. Now at STP and NTP, when we take an oxygen occupy a space of 22.4 liter, is simply the volume of oxygen that is equal to 22.4 liter, or simply oxygen will take 22.4 liter. Okay, so that is equal to 1 mole of oxygen, not that oxygen. अगर कोई भी अगर हम लोग एक बार डिवाइड कर देते हैं, 1 mole that is equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 particles, where small n that indicates the number of moles, that is equal to small n by capital M, and that is equal to capital N by N naught. Sometimes number of particles given in question. That's why we use that type of expression for finding number of moles. Okay, so the number of where capital N that is equal to number of particles and N naught that is equal to Avogadro's number, and that will be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. Okay. Now the second postulate of any atom, okay, their atomic mass and the atomic mass taken in gram, so that will be equal to 1 mole of that atom. Suppose we have a sodium atom. Okay, what is the atomic mass of sodium? That is 23 U, and taken in gram 23 gram, then that is equal to 1 mole of that atom is simply 1 mole of sodium atom. Now we take the third postulate. That is the third postulate. Any molecule, their molecular mass is taken in gram, that will be equal to 1 mole of that molecule. Suppose we have a water molecule, and you better know about the combination of two atoms. The combination water molecule formed by the combination of two atoms, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, so So the here the atomic mass of hydrogen, that is 2U, and the atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16U. So combining, that is 18U, and now that attribute taken into account, so that will be equal to 1 mole of water molecule. Now the fourth and the last postulate: any gas at HTP and NTP. HTP and NTP means the standard temperature and pressure, where temperature will take 0 degree centigrade and pressure will take 1 atmosphere at atmospheric pressure. Now at HTP and NTP अगर हम किसी गैस को 22.4 लीटर मतलब लेते हैं, मतलब एज्यूम करते हैं, तो that will be equal to 1 मोल ऑफ दैट। ऐसे ऑक्सीजन को HTP एंड NTP पे अगर हम 22.4 लीटर लेते हैं तो 1 मोल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन। That's all about the mole concept. Okay.